Hello dear students, welcome back to your English class. So students, let's continue with the same chapter that we were doing in our previous video. So all of you open page number 18. I explained you till here. So what happened then? So then now Karan said, Dad, here is the recipe in your mother's cookbook. Now what do we need? He peered at the book in his glasses perched on his head. So what Dad said, so now let's have a look of the recipe in from their mother's cookbook, and then they both were ready to make the cake. But his glasses, while he was looking into the book, was perched, means was kept on his head. It might help if you wear your glasses, Mohan said. Mummy, they are there on your head. Then Mummy told him that wear your glasses properly, they are kept on your head, just wear them on your eyes. Right, of course. I can see better now. Bring the floor, Karan and Gita, and then he started ordering all the family members to do some or other work. Then what he asked Karan to do? He asked Karan to bring the floor, and Gita, he asked his wife that could I have 6 eggs and a measuring cup, please? Means he was asking for us for 6 eggs and measuring cup. Where is Ria? Ria, surely she can do her homework a little later. Ria, I need you for a while. Then he also called Ria so that she could help her father to bake a cake. So he was saying that call Ria also, she would do her homework a bit later. So there we were. Mummy was separating egg whites and I was measuring flour when Ria joined the band of helpers. So everybody was ready for doing their work. So what was the task of Mummy? Mummy had to separate the egg whites. And what was the task of Karan? Karan had to measure the flour, and Ria also came there to help them. So she set the temperature and put on the oven. Dad continued to study the recipe, and what Dad was doing, he was still reading the recipe. He took the mixer out of the cupboard and put it on the counter, and he said, I need vanilla essence and some lemons. Gita, do we have some? So what he did, he took out the mixer from the cupboard and he kept it on the counter, and he said, I also need vanilla essence to put into the cake. Then he also asked for the lemons. So he asked his wife that do we have vanilla essence and lemons in our home? Mohan, you should have warned me that you are going to bake a cake today. The vanilla essence has finished. So Gita told him that you should have told me earlier that you are going to bake a cake today. But now the vanilla essence is finished. I will go and get some, Dad, I said, and started to slip out of the kitchen, anything to get away from it. Then Karan said, Dad, may I go and bring the vanilla essence from the market? Because why he said so? Because he wanted to get rid of that hectic schedule, and he could get a chance to get out of the home. No, never mind, said Dad, while reading out loud from the book. Add lemon juice and lemon zest. Now what this lemon zest thing, Gita? So Dad कहता no, there is no need to go outside. There is an alternative given in the book. Means he can also add a lemon juice as well as a lemon zest if there is no vanilla essence available at home. Then he asked his wife, what is this lemon zest? So what she said, it is just a bit of grated lemon peel, Mohan said. Mummy, it adds flavor to the cake. So she said that it is a bit of grated lemon peel. Grated means बेटा क्या होता है, जो लेमन का जो छिलका होता है उसको ग्रेट करके जो छिलके निकल कर आते हैं, जो टेक्सचर निकल के आता है, वो जो उसको बोलते हैं लेमन जेस्ट, वो जो घिसा हुआ पार्ट होता है उसको. येस आई न्यू, आई हैड हर्ड दैट टर्म बिफोर. नाउ आई नीड द ग्रेटर. तो कहता है हाँ आई नो इट वेरी वेल. नाउ वॉट ही नीडेड द ग्रेटर. ग्रेटर मीन्स जिससे घिसते हैं उस, जैसे कोकोनट वगैरह आपकी मम्मी घर में अक्सर घिस के बनाती होंगी ना, घिसती है ना घी, आकर उसको बोलते हैं हिंदी में ग्रेटर. He began pulling out drawers and searching frantically for the grater, while Mummy took it off a hook on the wall and patted him gently on the shoulder with it. Then Dad was desperately searching for the grater, and then what Mummy did? Mummy took it off from a hook, and then she patted that grater on the shoulder of Dad. "Oh, you found it, Geeta," said Dad, sounding like a drowning man who had just been handed a rubber ring. "Oh, thank God, Geeta, you have found it." And he felt as if the drowning man found a rubber ring. This kind of relaxation was there on the face of father. Ruff, the puppy. So Ruff is the name of a puppy. Couldn't bear the thought of being left out. He ran into the kitchen, wagging his tail when he found the whole family there. Then what Ruff did? He was thinking that all the family members were there in the kitchen. So the dog itself came to the kitchen to join his family members. Of course, Ria, who was backing away from the oven, almost stepped on him, and Ria, who was coming back after setting the temperature of the oven, she was about to step on him. वो उसके ऊपर बिल्कुल चढ़ने ही वाली थी. He squealed and ran off into the safe corner. Then he started squealing and then he ran towards the safe corner. उसने सोचा अभी मेरे ही लग जाएगी, तो वो जल्दी से वहाँ से भागकर और एक कॉर्नर में जाकर बैठ गया. He sat down and looked at all of us, his mouth open, tongue hanging out. And he just sat there, his mouth was opened and he was hanging the tongue out. The hectic activity in the normally quiet kitchen confused him. So there was the hectic activity going on in the kitchen which confused him.